Top 10 parrots in the world. Beauty is easy. Intelligence is rare. Number 10. Quaker parrot. Social, smart. Number 9. Indian ringneck. Fast learner. Number 8. Conure. Playful, loud. Number 7. Lovebird. Small, intense. Number 6. Budgie. Tiny genius. Number 5. Eclectus parrot. Color perfection. Number 4. Amazon parrot. Confident talker. Number 3. Cockatoo. Emotional, demanding. Number 2. Macaw. Big, brilliant. Number 1. African gray. The smartest of all. Which parrot would you choose? Follow for more.